flying is one of my first memories. I was only 11 months old when I first went up to the sky. It was with my dad in his 1967 Sia Marchetti. Since then on, everything has been about that. I became an acrobatic pilot with my father's plane at 17, the youngest in Germany. And now I want to rebuild and fly my own Sia Marchetti. I've been rebuilding this masterpiece manually for years. In this real-size technical puzzle, every piece is the one and only. Only the most accurate tools are allowed to touch this delicate aircraft. But sometimes, impatience boils my blood. I can't wait anymore. I need to fly it, now. Then, my father smiles and helps me get his aircraft ready, to recharge my energy and remind me of the goal. I'm going to fly my own Marchetti. We will make acrobatics together, soon, very soon.